Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I figured I would do a lip declutter video because I showed you guys my makeup collection, and unfortunately I actually decluttered my collection last year before the new year started, so I don't have enough products to do a actual declutter for every single category. However, I did not declutter my lip products yet, so I kind of figured, well, I could just film that for you guys. I do have a ton of drugstore lip products, not so much for high-end but just more so drugstore. So versus me filming like one huge drugstore video and like one for high-end for the decluttering, I'll just break it up into two videos. So I'll just do majority of my drugstore in this video, and then I'll do the rest of my drugstore plus high-end in a separate video, and then that would pretty much be that. So hopefully you guys don't mind the lip product declutter because I don't have anything else to show with you guys in terms of my makeup collection. I'll have to do a declutter video maybe like later on in the year, like towards the end when I accumulate more products. But right now my collection is pretty much at a point where I'm happy with it. So only thing left is the lip products, so I guess we can get started. Alright you guys, so starting off, I will be decluttering this drawer right here. It's pretty much going to be my overflow of my drugstore lip products. Either I'm going to keep the product, give it to a friend, or throw it away. So let's get started. So starting off, I do have this lip kit by Makeup Revolution. It's going to be the Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. I don't even think they sell these anymore. They might, but I'm not for sure because I haven't seen them lately in store. But in here you do get a lip pencil and a liquid lipstick, and I think the packaging is really cute. Reminds me of Kylie's packaging. So here is the actual lipstick, and then here's the pencil. This color is a really pretty like nudie kind of color. However, I do have to pair it with something else, and here it is swatched on my hand. So I think it's a really pretty like nudie color, almost like a pinky nude. And here is the lip pencil. I haven't used the pencil yet because I just prefer to use like a darker lip pencil while using this product. But I am going to go ahead and keep this because I can never have too many like nudes in my collection. So I will be keeping this one. Next one is going to be by Profusion. It's going to be the sparkling lip topper. These do come in kits where you get the lip topper, lip pencil, and an actual like lip gloss. I have used this before on my channel, and I told you guys I love the lip topper. I thought it was really pretty. It's almost kind of patchy in terms of like application, but I kind of feel like for the price I didn't really mind it because I mean it's a lip topper, so I didn't really mind it. And here it is right here on my hand. Excuse right here. I tried to film this video already and it was an epic fail, so this is my fourth time trying to film this video, so please ignore my swatches. But I will be keeping this one because I can never have too many lip toppers in my collection. Alright, next one is going to be by Beauty Moment. It's going to be by Jackie and Lauren. I did get this from, I want to say it was Burlington Coat Factory, and I do have some more that go to this collection. Let me find them because I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of them. So there's no name on it, but moving on, here is the swatch of this one because I might just keep like one, depending. Like, you see how it's swatching so patchy? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. Don't really care for that one. Here is this next one. It's a really pretty like purpley kind of color. Like, that color is really pretty, but it's the issue that I had before where they're really patchy. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of them because I remember why I don't like them, because they're really patchy, and I have too many lip products where I don't need to keep things that's going to be patchy. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these right here. Right, moving on, I do have another color by Profusion. It's going to be the matte lip cream. This one belonged to that lip topper that I just showed you guys. It's going to be the one of the color called Matte Fantasy. I did like this a lot. I will say this, for the price, it's really pretty and pigmented. However, you have to go back over it because it doesn't apply evenly on the lips. But once you apply it on the lips, it looks so pretty. So here's that color right here. It's a really pretty like deep burgundy color. I think it's so pretty, and the lip kits are super inexpensive. So for the price and because I just like their stuff, I'm going to keep this one. Going to be about Academy of Color. I do have quite a few of their lip products like these. It's just these three right here. So starting off, the first one is going to be this really pretty like nudie color. It's called Pretty Please. And you can find them at Kohl's. They're super inexpensive. Here is the color of this one right here. Again, it's called Pretty Please. It's supposed to be a nude color, but it's almost too nude for my liking. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one away as well. Next one is called Rosy Posy. It's like a pinky, like a light pink kind of color. And I did use this in a video and I haven't touched them since, to be honest with you. So that pretty much says how I feel about them. Here is Rosy Posy. Again, it's a really pretty like pinky color, almost like a bubblegum pink. But again, I'm not going to wear it and I haven't worn it since. So I'm going to get rid of this one also. And the last one is going to be the one called Nuditude, which is this one right here. I want to say this was the only one that actually caught my attention. It's going to be like a grayish color. Yes, it's the grayish color, and this one I actually liked. Here it is right here on my hand. It dries down to like a semi-matte finish, so this one I will keep because I don't really have too many grays in my collection, so this one I will keep. All right, next product is going to be by Jordana. I do have a few of these like chunky lip products right here. I think it's just these two. It's just these two. I got these, y'all, so long ago. It's going to be their Twist and Shine Moisturizing Balm. This one is going to be the one called Honey Love, and you just kind of like twist it up. And here is Honey Balm. Is it Honey Balm? No, Honey Love. Honey Love is right here. It's so pretty right here, but I've had it for so long, you guys, so long. This one is going to be the one called Raspberry Crush. Like, it still looks so moisturizing and pretty. Here is that one right there. So pretty. But y'all, I have had these for so long, so I think I'm going to go ahead and I need to let it go, but I don't want to, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep them because I really like them when I purchase them and I can't like let it go. So I'm just going to keep those right there. All right, so I do have this product by Ruby Kiss. It's going to be their matte lip lacquer in the color called Ruby. I want to say I got this from the beauty supply store. And you guys know I love their highlighters. They're super pigmented, so I wanted to give the lip products a try. This one I've had for so long, and the formula is kind of thick. It's not like my favorite kind of formula. So this one, here it is, swatched in my hand. So this one I will get rid of it because again, it's just too thick for my liking. But it's so pretty though, but I'm gonna get rid of this one. All right, keeping it going, I do have this one by Absolute New York. It's going to be their matte lipstick. I also got this from Beauty Supply Store. Y'all, do not sleep on the Beauty Supply Store because they have some really good stuff. And here is this one swatched in my hand. It's a really pretty red lipstick. It's called Dark Red. So here it is right there. And I will keep this one because I don't really have too many reds in my collection. So I will be keeping this one. Next one is going to be by Ruby Kisses. It's going to be the Maracuja Kiss Struck Soft Matte Lipstick. I have it in the color called, what color are you? It's called Take Me to Paris. And I got this on the Beauty Supply Store also. And here is it swatched on my hand. So it's another red color right here. And I haven't even used this yet, to be honest, so I will go ahead and keep this one as well because I have yet to use it, so I will keep this one. Moving on, I do have these lip products it's going to be by the Amber Shoals collection. I did do a review on these already on my channel, but these I will be keeping because I just got them. It's going to be in the color called Sugar, Daddy, Trust Fund, and Baby. Again, I will link the video in my description box if you guys want to see these products right here in action. I do have another one by Academy of Color. It's going to be the matte liquid lipstick in the color called Modernist. It's going to be this really pretty like chocolate brown color right here. This one I will be keeping as well because I do like this brown color and I don't have that many in my collection, so I will be keeping this one right here. All right, I have two products by Joa. It's going to be a new brand that's going to be in your CVS. It's going to be the Infinite Kiss Satin Liquid Lipstick. I have it in the color called Moi, and I also have it in the color called Besu. I did haul these on my channel already last year, so here is the color of Moi. And this color, to be honest, when I swatched it when I did the haul, I did not like the color because that's not my kind of color. So to be honest, I haven't even used it yet, but I just don't like this color. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and give it away because I will never wear this color, to be honest. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one away. But the packaging is so cute though. Like, I love this little bow on top. So cute, but I'm going to give it away. And the one called Besu, it was almost too pink for me. It's like a bubblegum kind of pink, that like neon blue undertone. It's like the packaging for these are so deceiving because this does not transcend to this right here. So it's almost like misleading, to be honest with you guys. But like, I would probably keep it for the packaging and that's it. That's pretty much it. But I'm not gonna wear this. So I probably will keep it just for the sake of the packaging because I think it's so pretty to like display or something, but I'm not gonna wear them. So we're just going to keep it, but I just use it as like decoration or something, just to be honest. And I do have a few lipsticks. All right, so I do have some lipsticks. I'll just go ahead and get started with those. It's going to be the Cleon Color Mally Matte Lipstick. You can get these off of Shop Hush. Here's the packaging for this one, and it's going to be a matte red color, which is right here on my hand. I will keep this one because I just want to have another option for a red color, so we'll keep this one. To me, their matte isn't like a matte. It's almost like a semi-matte. It's not drying, but it doesn't last like all day long either. It's just like a semi-matte finish to me, so I will keep this one, and it's super inexpensive as well. You can get it off of Shop Hush website. Then I have this one by LA Color. It's going to be the cream lipstick. I have tried this one before and I do like it. It's going to be in the color called Latte, which is a really pretty like brownish, nudish kind of color. It's not the most creamiest consistency, but at the same time, it's not like drying either. It's like a happy medium. Here it is swatched on my hand right now. I got it from I got it off of Shop Hush as well, so I will be keeping this color because I think it's really pretty, and it's really pretty on its own as well. So that one I will be keeping. Then I have the one by e.l.f. It's going to be their moisturizing lipstick. I have it in the one called Deep Burgundy. You guys know their formula for these are really nice, so that's pretty much like not a shocker to anyone. Here is the color right there. That's definitely my kind of color for my skin tone, so that one I will be keeping. This one by Wet n Wild is their Pout in Love little like chapstick thing. I am not gonna keep this because I have yet to wear it and I don't like the color of it, so this I'll be getting rid of. All right, moving on to NYX is going to be their lipstick in the color called Power, which is this like lilac-y purpley color. I bought this so long ago and I have like, I think I wore it once, but y'all, like, clearly you could tell when I was starting off with makeup, I was just buying pretty much whatever caught my attention because I have yet to wear this color and I'm not gonna wear this color. So this one I will be getting rid of as well because that is not my kind of color. So I will be getting rid of this product. I will be getting rid of this product as well. All right, I have another lipstick by LA Colors. It's going to be their matte lipstick in the color called Classy. It's going to be another nude, but again, it's going to be their matte formula. And the hair is Classy on my hand. This matte is actually really comfortable to wear. I love the color of it and it wears really well on my lips. All right, and then I do have all of my Victoria's Secret lipsticks back here. These are pretty much like OGs in my collection. Those I will not be getting rid of because I love them a lot. So I'll be keeping these right where they are. I'm not gonna swatch it because the video is already too long, but just know I'll be keeping these back here. I have this Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip color. It's going to be in the color called Molten Chocolate. This is almost too drying for me, but at the same time I like the intensity of her pigment, so it's almost like I just tend to deal with it. But here's the color right here. It's a really pretty like vibrant chocolatey burgundy kind of color combined. It's more burgundy compared to this chocolate one down here, so this one I'll be keeping. But again, her formula is kind of drying for my liking, but I will still keep it though. All right, I have another color by Cleon Color. It's going to be the Mally Matte Lipstick in the color called Cafe Noir. This color I love so much. I pretty much killed this color last fall. You guys know I was on this like terracotta like color kick, and that color right there was the color for me during the fall time. So I definitely will be keeping this color because I like it a lot and I have nothing like it in my collection. Next one is going to be the e.l.f. Moisturizing Lipstick in the color called Ravishing Rose. This color is really pretty. I actually need to like wear it because I haven't even worn it in so long, but it's a really pretty color. So here it is swatched in my hand. It's not going to be one of those products that's super intense off back. You have to build up the intensity of it, but at the same time, it's a really pretty like wash of color on the lips for every day. So this one I will be keeping. So I have by NYX, it's going to be the soft matte lip cream in the color called Abu Dhabi. And I actually have my other lip creams on my vanity, but I didn't have any space for this one. So here it is swatched in my hand. And this one I'm going to go ahead and get rid of because it looks kind of like old. Next I have this color by Ruby Kisses. It's going to be the Creamalicious Triple Butter Matte Cream. I got it from the beauty supply store as well. And I've had it for so long. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it because that color, I actually don't like that color. So go ahead and get rid of that one because that's too peachy for my liking. So go ahead and toss this one as well. Next, by Profusion, I have their matte long lasting lip color. It's going to be this really pretty like pinky fuchsia kind of color. I will be keeping this one because I have yet to wear it. So this one I will keep. And then I have my Crush Full by L'Oreal. It's going to be the metallic lip gloss in the color called Mirrored. It's a really pretty like golden kind of color. It's definitely different from what I'm used to. And it's a really pretty lip topper. So that one I will be keeping because it's really pretty on the lips. Don't let the color fool you guys in terms of like not looking cute because it's a really pretty color. So I'm going to keep this one. Then I have this one by Essence. It's going to be the Water Kissed Glossy Lip Color. I showed you guys this in a haul. It's going to be the one called Aquatic Chic. I hauled this last year on my channel in the fall time. And this color is so pretty. The other color that I hauled, I actually took that one back and I kept this one. It's a really pretty like burgundy kind of color. So it's definitely my kind of color. The other color was not. So I did keep this instead. And the last one is going to be the one by Makeup Revolution. It's going to be the Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer. It's this really pretty like vampy kind of color. Love the packaging on it. However, I haven't touched it in so long, and I don't even think they sell this anymore either. So this one I'm going to get rid of because I'm never going to wear that, to be honest. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. And I think that's pretty much it for these right here. Just going to put these back in my holder. And just to run through these quickly, I am going to keep my hard candy ones back here. I'm not going to get rid of those. And then these, I want to say, I'm going to go ahead and pull out what I'm going to keep and toss out of this, and I'll be right back. All right, so these right here out of this container I'm actually going to get rid of. It's going to be this gloss. The name of it actually wore off, so I can't even tell you where I got it from. So it's going to be a product from the beauty supply store that I'm going to get rid of. So it's this one. I have a lipstick by Nika K that is actually pretty much like dried out. I tried to swatch it, but it's like dry as hell. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. I have this one by Black Radius. It's going to be their liquid lip color. I bought this so long ago and I never used it. As you can see, it's nothing is happening. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. And then I have this pinky one by Posh. It's the Posh Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's that one right there. It's too bright of a pink. So that one I'm going to be getting rid of as well. So here is my give it away pile, and here is my throw it away. All right, so these right here I'm going to go ahead and get rid of. And then these three right here, I'm just going to go ahead and give these to a friend because these three were the only ones that were not used or open, whereas everything else was. So throw away and donate. And here's pretty much what my drawer looks like now after we have finished decluttering. So that's pretty much it now, you guys. All right, hope you guys enjoyed my declutter video. If you did, please be sure to give it a